submit that this Honorable Court has no jurisdiction to perform any act beyond the said 4 days.
When you count the days, excluding the public holiday of Monday, yesterday, and the weekend, the 4 days in my view expire today. I invite you to so find and overrule the erroneous submission and objection.
As long as the seal we put last time remains untampered with, as the act of sealing the office was done in presence of all parties, though informally, it should be remembered that justice delayed is justice denied. And this means that Electoral Commission will remain under obligation of securing electoral materials, yet a recount would solve the dispute quickly and less costly. I find that a recount of all ballot papers, not some, in ballot boxes of all polling stations is a solution. Therefore, I will proceed to allow it.
Koti kyatambudde bulungi. Ebiddako mu box sinze ndi sibimanyi.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.